Welcome to MySchool Training. Let's take a look at the new feature for our assignment module, called Continuous Assessment. We first need to check some settings before we activate this option. Go to the Assignment Configuration panel. Continuous Assessment will only work with an achievement scale, and the scale must have points assigned to each level. Following the changes, we have also added a percentage high column. This is used when you translate a numeric value into a non-numeric scale. We will call this a calculated scale in subject specifications. The next step is to make sure that the learning outcomes have points assigned to them as well. The new CA grading system works with a new assessment module. Locate the subject specifications page on your system and search for your subjects with existing LOs. Edit the LO and make sure there's at least 1 point assigned. Also check the scale that is to be applied. This is a great chance to make sure you have a shortcode entered, as this will show on the new assignment grade grid. The final part of the setup is to activate the continuous assessment option within your target subjects. This setting is found in Subject Management. Choose the subject and check the Continuous Assessment box in the Assignment tab. Let's look at the new features available on the grade grid. We have put new buttons at the bottom of the screen, which replace the hyperlinks of Options and View All Assignments. We can now choose to order the grade grid in its classic assignment view or by learning outcome. The topics created, either in assignment itself or using the VLE module, still shows at the top level. We can see the grade grid has a second average column, called CA. Let's create an assignment as usual. Remember to apply the learning outcomes in the Options tab and choose the correct achievement scale from the drop-down menu. Here we can see the assignment with both LOs showing. So let's go ahead and enter some grades. When we change the Group By option, the grid will be ordered by LO. Let's give a final assessment to the student's efforts based on the evidences of each LO. Each student in the course has a list of all LOs assigned to the subject and a graphical representation of their assigned grades. Teachers can mouse over the columns to have a quick view of the details and then assign an overall grade for the learning outcome. Save the entries once grading is complete, and the system will calculate a normalized average based on the points in the scale and the points assigned to the LO.